and students, I am extremely delighted to welcome you all to our graduation day. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to share our words of gratitude for everything we experienced and learned from SRK. SRK brings their expertise to us as young learners, from the CEO down to all the amazing staff who wholeheartedly give their excellence for us to experience great things while learning at the same time. SRK is not just a simple distance learning facility, for it has been extraordinary for us students. It has been our second home in learning, together with our reliable, jolly, and patient teachers who help us on how to thrive with our studies, especially in times that we are overwhelmed. They made sure that we got everything on hand and help us learn and explore new things and get out of our comfort zone. We enjoy every subject, made new friends, and experienced all kinds of emotions during our class. A big thanks also to our dear parents for giving us the best education in our generation. We all know that it's not easy to be a full-time worker and a full-time parent.